Money is the result of value, and value is always subjective. Value for the poor is money, value for lonely is conversations, and value for rich is status, signaling and exclusivity. तुम ऑनलाइन पैसा इसलिए नहीं कमा पा रहे हो बिकॉज यू आर ऑलवेज मैपिंग द रॉन्ग कॉम्पोनेंट ऑफ वैल्यू विद द रॉन्ग टारगेट मार्केट. अगर मुझे तुम्हें एक चीज बतानी हो दैट आई हैव लर्नड फ्रॉम माय जर्नी ऑफ बिल्डिंग सर्विस बिजनेसेस फ्रॉम लास्ट 2 years, इट इज दैट यू विल ऑलवेज मेक मच मोर मनी by solving smallest problem for rich people than solving biggest problem for poor. यार देखो बात ऐसी है, पूरा गेम ना इमोशंस का है. बिजनेस की दुनिया में एंड गोल हर इंसान का पैसा कमाना या फिर समय बचाना हो सकता है, बट एट एनी गिवन मोमेंट इन दिस मोमेंट व्हाट मैटर्स इज इमोशंस. इन दिस मोमेंट व्हेन यू आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा या फिर तुम्हें कितना समय बचाना है. ऑल दैट मैटर इज कि तुम कैसा फील कर रहे हो. आर यू फीलिंग हैप्पी, आर यू फीलिंग सैड, आर यू फीलिंग इंस्पायर्ड, आर यू फीलिंग मोटिवेटेड. एंड इट इज ट्रू फॉर द पीपल यू विल बी सेलिंग योर सर्विसेज टू एज वेल. Now the problem is that poor are always feeling anxious about money. And the only way you will ever be able to give them the ROI of their money is by making them more money. And that is why you work with rich. You position yourself for the elite class. You work with people who care about a lot other things than just money. तुम्हें decide करना है कि तुम्हें अपने पहले $100,000 कैसे बनाने हैं. 100 क्लाइंट के साथ काम करके जो तुम्हें $1,000 देंगे, या फिर 20 क्लाइंट के साथ काम करके जो तुम्हें $5,000 देंगे. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू नीड टू ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर टाइम एंड मनी बोथ. क्योंकि तुम पैसा कितना भी कमा लो, अगर तुम उस पैसे को यूज करने के लिए समय नहीं निकाल सकते तो तुम्हारा पैसा वर्थलेस है. बिकॉज इन दैट सिनेरियो यू हैव जस्ट ट्रैप्ड योरसेल्फ इन द मैट्रिक्स ऑफ योर ओन चॉइस एंड फ्यू पीपल गेट दिस. तो अब तुम्हें समझ तो आ गया कि यार रिच लोगों के साथ काम करने के बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं. देयर आर साइकोलॉजिकल बेनिफिट्स, देयर आर इमोशनल बेनिफिट्स, एंड देयर इज एन एक्सपीरियंस बेनिफिट्स दैट यू गेट आउट ऑफ वर्किंग विद रिच एंड एलीट क्लास. बट इज इट सो इजी working with rich people? No, it's not. There are a lot of things that you need to understand. There are a lot of things that you need to change and adapt to when you really want to work with rich. Here are 3 main things that you need to understand and keep in your mind if you really want to work with rich and instantaneously make more money working with fewer clients. Number 1 is positioning. Probably one of the most important factor that will decide that if you will ever be able to work with rich or not. यार अमीर लोगों को चीप लोगों के साथ काम करना पसंद नहीं है, ठीक है. दे हैव मनी, दे लाइक टू स्पेंड इट बिकॉज इट मेक्स देम फील good. इसलिए they do not want to work with people who are selling everything for cheap. They want to work with people who are selling things at higher prices, and that's the reason why rich people buy Louis Vuitton and Gucci, right? Because they have money, so they like to spend it because it makes them feel good about themselves. It makes them feel superior. It helps them add to their status. So you need to price your services higher, and you need to position yourself in a way that rich notices you. And once they notices you, is only when they will ever be able to buy from you. You need to find the problem that rich has and solve it for them in a way they like. And usually rich people value time and status more than money because they already have money in abundance. Second thing that you need to keep in your mind is that you need to qualify the people that you work with. Okay, you need to qualify people using your copywriting. You need to qualify people using your websites. You need to qualify people using your forms and wait listing forms that you have built for your website or for your service business. Okay, एक बात को समझो, लुई विटो के शोरूम में गरीब लोग नहीं होते और रिच लोग होते हैं बिकॉज दे लाइक टू गो एट द प्लेसेस वेयर पुअर पीपल डोंट एंटर, जहां पे हर कोई नहीं घुस सकता. तो अगर तुम्हारी वेबसाइट पे आके हर इंसान कुछ भी खरीद सकता है, रिच फील लाइक ओके, इट्स इफ इट इज अवेलेबल इन अबंडेंस, व्हाट्स द वैल्यू ऑफ इट. इसलिए तुम देखोगे देयर आर लग्जरी क्लोथिंग ब्रांड्स जो अपने क्लोथिंग ब्रांड के लिमिटेड एडिशन ड्रॉप करती है, ठीक है. दे विल ड्रॉप 15 shirts and be like, okay, one shirt is for $15,000, and rich would run to buy that shirt because it makes them feel superior. It makes them feel that something is customized for them. And इसलिए एक पेंटिंग $50 million में बिकती है because it is only one. It's a single painting in the world, and that's why rich people like to buy it. So if you really want to work with rich people, you need to create a sense of scarcity. If there is scarcity, that means it is valuable in people's head, right? इसलिए तुम देखोगे जो बहुत बड़े-बड़े सर्विस बिजनेसेस हैं, उनकी वेबसाइट पे they have a wait list. They are like join our wait list. इसका मतलब वो indirectly बोल रहे हैं कि we are already packed, we are already working with elite people, and our service is not for everybody. Okay, fill this form and we will figure out if you are capable enough or if you are a good enough fit for working with us or not. And when you do that, when you create scarcity, a rich person would be like, yeah, I have money, dude. Like, why you are creating this wait list? You know, how much money do you want? Tell me. right? So they praise scarcity. They put scarcity on pedestal in their head. So you need to qualify people. You need to create a sense of scarcity if you really want to attract rich clients. Number 3 is deliver high quality experience. The last and probably the most important piece of the puzzle. अगर तुमने आज तक केवल मिडिल क्लास से पुअर लोगों के साथ काम किया है तो तुम रियलाइज करोगे कि तुम्हें तुम्हारा बिजनेस पूरा स्क्रैच से पलटना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि तुम्हें लग रहा होगा कि रिच लोगों के साथ काम करना आसान है, but it is not, because even though they have a lot of money, they are not dumb, and rather they are some of the smartest people that you will ever talk to, because they understand everything. Even if they value time and status and signaling and all the other things, not always money, they are smart and they understand what they're getting themselves into. And even if they're ready to pay a lot of money, they expect a lot of things that made them rich at the first place. Okay? They value world-class delivery, they value personalization, they value relations, they value customization, and they value transparent communication, and they also value professionalism. So you will never be able to work with rich clients if you are not ready to improve yourself. Everything all together, after everything, boils down to how open you are to unlearn the things that you already know and start improving yourself on a day-to-day basis. Because if you cannot talk to a person confidently in the front of camera or on the sales call, it's almost impossible to sell your services at $10,000 or $5,000, because that person can easily sense how confident you are in what you are selling. So you need to start with getting better at what you do and all the other things that you are doing in your life. Website of your business, how you talk to people, how's your video setup, how's your audio, what type of delivery are you giving to people, how good is your communication, how you're onboarding your clients. Everything has to be on point and top notch. If it's not the case, there would be a disconnect in people's mind, and they would be like, okay, you're charging $5,000 for the services, but there is no experience. What extra are you giving me? Why should I work with you? What's the reason of me giving you extra money? I have money, right? And I'm ready to give it. But what's the reason for me to give this extra money to you as compared to somebody else? And they won't work with you, right? So it's hard. It's hard to work with rich. You need to change everything. You need to change your mindset. You need to change your belief. You need to change how you think about the world and the delivery that you give and the experience you give to these people if you really want to make a lot more money with fewer clients. So that's all for this video. अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आया तो मुझे कमेंट्स में लिख के बताओ elite, ताकि मुझे पता लगे कि तुमने वीडियो एंड तक देखा है, and I can continue creating videos like this for you all every week. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, press that bell icon so you do not miss my videos. That's all for this video. I'll see you next time.